Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Uphold account verification and first trade, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up your Uphold account verification, start by visiting the Uphold website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Provide your email address and create a strong password. After filling in your details, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Once verified, log in to your new Uphold account. Upon logging in, you'll be prompted to start the verification process. Select the Verify Account option. You'll need to provide personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Next, choose your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Uphold will then ask for identification documents. You can upload a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the document is clear and all details are legible. Follow the prompts to take a selfie for identity verification. Once you've uploaded your documents, click on the Submit button. Wait for Uphold to review your application, which may take a few minutes. You'll receive a notification once your account is verified. Now that your account is verified, it's time to fund your account. Select that Add Funds option from the dashboard. Choose your preferred funding method, like bank transfer or credit card. Follow the prompts to link your funding source and enter the amount you wish to deposit. After funding your account, go to the Trade section. Select the cryptocurrency or asset you want to trade. Choose the currency you wish to trade it for. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell. Review your transaction details carefully. Once you're satisfied, click the Confirm Trade button. Congratulations, you've successfully completed your first trade on Uphold. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.